Welcome everybody. It is yo boy Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. I am definitely a little bit more excited today than usual because, as you can see, we're a little bit in the green. So we're gonna hit it with a couple of refreshes. Looks like Bitcoin is at $30,730 USD, and Cardano's starting to move up a bit as well. So as you all know, Cardano is my largest position. I definitely should have been in Chainlink for this week, but that's okay. So by the way, for Chainlink, the reason it's up 40%, I believe it's because, well, obviously they are an oracle and they are a huge part of crypto. Haven't really had their major run yet, but they have their version 0.2 staking. So that's kind of like running the news a little bit there. But definitely Chainlink, check it out. Nothing in this video is financial advice anyways. So what we're going to do is we are going to talk about Dega. We're going to give you another Epoch rewards update. So every 5 days, I hit you with a rewards update. We show you how many tokens we've earned just by staking. So this is ultimately staking for free. We're not paying anything. We're just signing a transaction. And if you want to learn how to stake and how to get into the ISPO, go here on the channel under Crypto Moose. The moose is loose. You're going to type in Dega. So just search over here. And you're going to watch this video, the one in red. Okay. It should have 500,000 views. But unfortunately, for whatever reason, YouTube is either not happy with my videos or they just haven't been interested in the moose, which doesn't make any sense, right? So watch this video. This algorithm should be clicked on. If you guys do watch it, and definitely smash the like button and subscribe. It's the one way you can all help us out. So, we got 1.4 thousand subs. Love you all. It's been really cool to see this channel grow. So it hasn't even been a year, I don't believe, for this channel. So perhaps we can check that out. So November 20th was when I joined of last year. So yeah, so it hasn't even been 365 days. So my goal was to get 360 videos, do like a video a day. And that's basically what we're doing right now. So we're going to be just shy of that, which is cool. Okay. So definitely check that out. Type in Dega again and check out the other videos. We have a couple of specific tutorials on what we're going to be talking about. Now, for those of you, head over to dega.org, okay? And you're going to go to ISPO, Rewards Dashboard. And by the way, we're talking about Cardano staking only. So we're going to hit the Rewards Dashboard. So I'll close that one. And if we scroll down, I've got different wallets here. In fact, there's 9. Okay, so I already went over a pro tip. You can paste your stake keys by adding them to a notes app. So you can easily paste them back into the address. So what you're going to do is you're going to add addresses by pasting them. So this stake key, right? You want to go to Cardano Scan or other wallets. Sometimes they show it like Yoroi. And you're going to paste it into the enter an address. And here you can see your accumulated rewards. So we are at 40,728 Dega rewards total. So that's really cool. So you can expect, and we'll go over some of the numbers here. So actually, what I'll do is I'll get an estimate of how many Cardano we hold and that we're using to delegate to get to this number. So the way you want to think about this is that it's going to be approximately, okay, a 3-to-1 ratio for your rewards. So for example, if you have 100 Dega and you got in day 1 in the ISPO and you stayed in till January of 2024, that's approximately when it ends, then you will earn 300 Dega. So it's a 3-to-1 ratio in favor of Dega. Now, there's also bonus rewards. So if we check out here, let's go to one of our major wallets. By the way, Dega did an incredible job. So shout out to Dega. Shout out to everybody who's part of those Twitter spaces. It was great to talk with you all. So Freak, we got Frog in there. I have yet to speak with Carlos, but I'd like to join more of those Twitter spaces. That was really cool. I really enjoyed listening in. So I tend to listen more and just create content. So here you can see the bonus rewards, and they're starting to compound a bit. I mean, the Moose has 40,000 tokens. And we'll get into what I just did with Book.io. I know people talk about how, Book's going to cook, but I did sell right away, and Moose did quite well. So I didn't put a lot in for Book, but we'll get into the numbers here in a second to share that with you as well. All right, so if we take a look at the numbers, specifically, I always tell you guys, when you are staking, and it's very difficult, right? It's difficult for some of you. For me, I mean, I've got Moose instincts now. So I tend to just buy and hold, stake and hold, like that's just what I do now. Like I'm an absolute savage. Net worth has gone up 450%, right? In 1 year. Okay, maybe not that much, but it's gone up. It's gone up. The Moose is getting wealthier, and that's because, the Moose has his instincts. So if you take a look here, we've got NFT, the 72 ADA or 72 Dega. You've got the partner. So the partner reward is for if you have, I believe the numbers are correct. Again, that's why I made the other videos. Check them out. Now the partner rewards are for Copy and Meld. I believe you need either 1,600 Copy or 3,500 Meld. So I tend to put a little bit more into the wallets. So for example, let's say this is one of the wallets that we're staking with. This one is, and so is this one. If we go to our wallet here, yeah, so we have a little bit of Meld and a little bit of Copy. So what this means is that because we're staking to Dega, now we are getting a little bit of bonus rewards. Now this is a different wallet. This is my Model T. But to give you an idea, you've got that, you've got the NFT, you've got the duration and the stake. So everything's beginning to compound, which is nice. So for example, just in 5 days, okay? So this is from, today or yesterday. It's 3 a.m. right now. So we earned more than 1,500 Dega, just in one epoch. Whereas at the beginning, and this is a big wallet, we got you need 17,000 ADA to earn that. In this one, we're earning maybe 1,000. So that's a huge difference. That's about a 50% difference there. Okay, so it's very important to remember that the duration's important and everything adds up over time. Okay, so we're playing with approximately, let's say, live stake, we got 2150, let's say 1,000, let's say 18,000, 20, okay, let's say 23,000 ADA. Okay, to keep the math simple, we'll say 20,000. If you have 20,000 ADA, by now, and if you have the partnership bonus rewards and you do everything in that video, you will easily have 40,000 Dega. So comment down below because, by the way, I've been seeing comments where people are telling me that they're getting hundreds of thousands of Dega. And I think that's awesome. By the way, nothing is financial advice. It's all, fun and games at this point in time. It's all educational, right? So I'm just sharing with you what I do. And if you want to do the same, go ahead. Because I believe in Dega and I believe in staking, right? Because you earn a little bit of the new supply. In the case of the ISPO, Dega is earning some ADA, and then we're getting their tokens at a discount, if you will. Okay, so that's Dega. I'm really impressed. Shout out to the Dega team. You're doing a great job. This is the best ISPO that I've seen to date in my experience. Okay, so the next step of this video, we're going to go to MinSwap. And I just want to share with you a quick order that I did. So there's a couple of different ones here just from tutorials. I don't know. What has the Moose been doing with Snack? This is egregious. Yeah, I'm down a little bit on Snack, but Anyways, I'm bullish on SNEC. Maybe I've been looking too much into my horoscope. Anyways, I do believe in SNEC. Yeah, there's a lot going on there. We'll be doing more videos. Don't allocate too much. I only have a few $100 in that. So if we take a look at the, I'm wondering. Oh, that's because we're in a different wallet. So let me go to my Trezor wallet. This will give you all a little bit of a book token advice here. There we go. That looks a lot better. I'm like, what was I doing over there? Okay. So what we're getting at right now, and specifically, I'm just taking a look at some of these numbers here. Okay. So book token, okay. We're not going to get into exactly what it is, but basically you can go to book.io, and it's with Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and you can buy or mint on their website books that are in the form of NFTs. So when you hold them in your wallet, you could read them. And they have a token that launched. So here is the amount that I got, and I believe I got in at about a penny. So they had a sale on the website, and my locked amount was $37,000. So what I did, and comment down below if this is what you did. I'm just transparent, sharing with you what I did and why. So I got 37,341 book. We're going to copy that. And I sold, I believe the day of, like right when I got the tokens, because they were recently airdropped to everybody. They did a great job. And I figured that the price would go down right away, because that's from experience now. I've seen it happen so many times. So I got, I put in 1,000 ADA. I figured, hey, I'm up 34%, roughly. So if we go here to trade, and we go to book, and book may cook. So now this is, it's starting to go back up, but it was down to like 900 ADA. So I decided to take profits. Now, not that I don't believe in book. However, I believe in other projects more. So this is another instance of, not that I don't believe in this project, kind of like Chainlink. You do not have to get into every project. I got out of this project. Maybe it goes up to $1 and I miss out on 30 grand. That's fine. Because I'm putting my allocation into Cardano because I believe in it. Risk to reward, it makes more sense. Right? Everybody's getting all these book tokens, and I feel like it's going to get dumped on a little bit more. So that's just where my headspace is at. I could be wrong, but I trust my gut, and the moose's antlers are tingling. And that's just the way it goes sometimes. Okay, so I hope that helps some of you. Just to give you a quick update on book. And by the way, this course was just added to Udemy. I've been working on this for 15 months. It's over 7 hours of content, okay? You'll learn blockchain 101, crypto wallet, sending, receiving, buying crypto. I cannot take you by the hand and do a phone call over 20 sessions and teach you what I teach in this. Okay, so this is going to be launching with heavy promos with myself and Phil over the next couple weeks. So look forward to that. We will have this on sale for you where you can pick it up for about 10 to 20 bucks USD. Okay, so this is the simple guide to cryptos and NFTs. Check out the preview video. I'll have a link for you all in the description below. Comes with the certificate of completion, and Phil has done over, I believe, 3 million students at this point. I've got 500,000 on this platform, so this has been a really cool experience, and this is going to help a lot of people get into the space. So I really want to share that with you all. By the way, if you want to learn more, check out my public profile. So here we just reached 500,000 students. We got 73 courses. Everything from video production to drawing to artificial intelligence to investing into Pokemon cards, sports cards, etc. So I wanted to mention that to you all as well. And definitely subscribe to Crypto Moose. If you don't want to spend a dime, if you're like me and you put all your money in ADA, then just continue to watch the show. Continue to watch Crypto Moose. So with that being said, the moose is loose. It's 3 a.m. I got to get some rest. Love you all. Peace.